Hello and welcome to our show. Today we'll be making one of my favorite recipes. It's called the egg spaghetti. First, what you will need for this recipe is about 100 grams of dried spaghetti, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 50 grams of minced meat, about a half of a medium onion, half a cup of chopped mushrooms, 1 cup of tomato sauce or peeled crushed tomatoes. I prefer peeled crushed tomatoes. And lastly, you will need 1 egg. First, let the water come to a boil and boil your dried spaghetti. While you are waiting for the spaghetti to boil, you can prepare your sauce. Heat up the pan with the olive oil and add the minced meat. Brown the minced meat until it gets nice and brown. Lower the heat to about medium heat and then add your chopped onions. It's important to fry your onions in lower heat so that you can let it caramelize. It'll take a while, but it will be worth the effort because all the sugars will come out of the onion and bring a nice sweet taste to your sauce. Then add your mushrooms, your chopped mushrooms, and keep stirring it around until it gets nice and tender. And then lastly, you can add your tomato sauce or peeled crushed tomatoes and let it simmer for a bit until it gets nice and warm. Your spaghetti should be ready by now, so you can drain the water out and add a bit of olive oil to your spaghetti so that it won't stick. Put your spaghetti on a plate and then pour some of your sauce on top. Now, you can fry your egg on a pan, sunny side up. I like to leave the yolk nice and soft, and then put the fried egg on top of your spaghetti. Now, when you eat your spaghetti, I like to pierce the egg with a fork so that all the yolk drizzles out and becomes a part of the sauce. The egg is quite alkaline, so it brings a nice mild taste that counteracts with the acidic tomato. And enjoy!